Is your plumbing causing headaches? Don't let leaks and clogs ruin your day. At Coastline Plumbing, we're here to help you with all your plumbing needs, big or small. Our licensed and insured professionals are dedicated to providing high-quality service right when you need it. From emergency plumbing and drain cleaning to water heater installation and leak detection, we do it all, quickly and effectively. With our 24/7 support, you can rest easy knowing your plumbing is in great hands. We pride ourselves on customer satisfaction and transparency. Choose Coastline Plumbing, where quality meets care. Call us today for a free estimate and experience the difference.